Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am always looking for heatless styling options for my hair. These are the Tifara Beauty Salon Heatless Flexible Hair Rollers. So this little bag contains 42 7-inch foam twist curling rods that you can use without any heat for your hair to curl it, whether it's long or whether it's short. So because these are flexible, they bend really easily, and I love the fact that they come in a variety of sizes. So whether you want a looser curl or a tighter curl, whether you have longer hair or shorter hair, there's just so many options inside this tiny little case. And I like the fact that you can keep them well stored in this, and it even comes with directions in case you need some help the first few times. Now, when I don't want to use any heat or styling products like that on my hair, I'll oftentimes just let it dry, air dry. And so I air dried it mostly dry, and then I rolled it up in these little curlers. I used a leave-in conditioner, and then, as you can see, just used all different sizes. There was really no method. Obviously, I am not a professional stylist by any means, but then I left them in for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then I removed them. And literally that was it for me to get really nice and long-lasting curls. So this is a great option if you want to give your hair a break from heat. I have not tried sleeping in these, but I think you could give it a try. They are definitely soft enough to make it possible. For the fact that they come in different sizes and they have a really nice and easy to use bend to them, they do not come undone. I'm definitely happy with the outcome. I'm definitely happy with how easy they are to use. So for me, it was a really great purchase, and that is my point of view.